Hello, folks. Before I even get started with exercise 5.14, I want you guys to know that I'm giving you these solutions so that you can be able to compare what you have with what I'm giving you guys. It's not like my solutions are the best solutions, and it's not like at some point I don't make errors or rather mistakes. I might give out a program thinking that it works, and then maybe you guys find that there's a logical error or somehow it's incorrect. Please feel free to let me know, because I'm just doing this to help you guys. We basically helping each other, because as you're giving me a feedback, I get to improve on my problem solving abilities. Okay, so again, guys, I'm repeating this part. If you notice that I made a mistake somehow, please feel free to let me know. With that out of the way, let's continue. Okay. So what do I want to do? The very first thing for us to do is to simply prompt the user. I did not read the question. Basically we're looking for a greatest common divisor, folks, because it seems like enter two integers. Okay, this is the question right here. You can pause the video and get back to it. We are also given the algorithm for our greatest common divisor approach. So our task is to simply implement it. So here's what I'll do. N1 is equals to my reader dot next, N2 equals to, I'm dying, folks, within. Thing is, I get obsessed over listening to music. Once I like some track, I get to have hard time getting it off my mind. Still now, the track I just told you about, it's still ringing in my head. Okay, so once I do that, of course, what I wanna do is to simply go if first number is equals to 0, or so basically the difference is like here, because the difference between this solution and the one I previously gave to you guys is tiny. Why? Because even the problem itself is pretty straightforward, and on top of that, we are given in what way we are required to implement our program. But there is a difference. Wait a sec, you'll see it yourself. It's N1 this time around, it's not first number. So I've got N1. If N1 or N2 is equals to 0, I'll simply exit my program. System.print invalid input. Done. And then I go system.exit 0. Okay, so suppose our program did not exist. What I'll simply do is to simply go I'll have a variable called a Boolean variable which will tell me to keep tracking, keep looking, not tracking. I'm into pattern recognition, so everything has to do with tracking in my world. Okay, so it's keep looking. So true, we wanna keep looking. Okay, so go while we wanna keep looking. Keep looking with a K, of course. Okay, while we wanna keep looking, I'll check if n1 mode divisor, which I haven't yet declared and initialized. Divisor supposed to be an integer d, and d if n1 is less than n2, so d equals to n1, else d equals to n2. Hope people are clear what's going on here, and if you're not, then you have a problem. I just did everything in one line as opposed to having something like this, right? Oops, that wasn't intentional. If this is equals to 0 or and not or it's end, and the n2 mode d is equals to 0. If this is the case, then we've found our d. System.out.print oops, undo system.out.print. Here's what I'll simply do, folks. I don't like doing this, but it seems like I don't have too much of a choice. If I wanna minimize so I'm basically saying the greatest common divisor of n1 and n2 is d. Done. There's something else I wanna do though, and that is to break my loop. I wanna go keep looking equals to false. You can get away with this problem by using your break statement. It is entirely up to you guys. Okay. Ooh, okay, folks, it seems like that should be pretty much it. Of course, I wanna decrement my d there. Okay, and then we have our solution. Oh, I decremented this. Let's see, let's try something like 150 and 55, or 100 and 150. So 50 is our greatest common divisor. Folks, we're done right now. I'm done. See you on the next solution.